Chants by Hissan A.K. We clench the earth as if 'twill last forever. A fleeting test where hearts are put to measure. Love, power, wealth, the false gods we adore, distracting us from the one who gave more. The world's a stage where illusions play. We dance to tunes of greed, night and day. But time is fleeting, swift and true. Our test is short, the afterlife's due. We chase the wind, grasp at the sand, forgetting the purpose given by the hand. The mind's a battlefield where truths collide. Break the chains of deceit. Let the real fight begin inside. The crowds deceive, the ego's loud and clear, but in the heart a voice is drawing near. It calls us back from the endless chase, reminds us of the purpose, the sacred space. Leave battles of pride, fight for what's true. The real war's against the false, not you. The unknown voices spread their lies, weave their spell, but we can choose the path that leads to what's real. The heart's a flame that burns for the divine. Let it guide you through the noise and the grind. Seize this chance, the test is real. Eternity's prize, let that be your deal. The world's a blur, but the soul's on trial. Choose wisely, for the stakes are high. The prize eternal, don't be fooled by the temporary gain. For in the end, it's the truth that remains.